Alright everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how you could push your data from the master list to your channel. So let's say you added products in your single products master list right here. You just uploaded, for example, your CSV sheet with your new list of product. Step number 2, you go to your mapping and then you would map these products and connect them from your master list to your channel list, right? After that, let's say you want to push the inventory data, right? Let's say you have a new inventory count, an updated inventory count that you had in your warehouse, right? And you want to push this new inventory numbers from your master list to your channel list. So once that you have connected your master list to your channel, you come here down to inventory sync, and in the inventory sync you will be able to push data from the master to the channel. But first you have to connect, right? So this page will only show the connected products, the connected master products that are linked to products in your channels, right? So with that being said, what you have to do is that you have this option right here as a filter. You could filter either single products or combo products, and then you also have search function as well as sort function, right? After you do your search and your sorting, what you could do is that you could select a product right here, right? And then you would push the inventory data from the master list to your channel list, right? So if I select this product and I click sync inventory, then we're pushing the 0 from the master list to the channel list. So now if I click sync inventory now, the channel quantity is going to change from 21 to 0. So that will means we ran out of stock for this product.